Today, I'll show you how to make an animation loop forever using a simple expression. We'll be working with an animated property like position, rotation, or opacity, and turning it into a seamless, repeating motion with just a few clicks and one short line of code. Even if you're new to expressions, don't worry, we'll go through it slowly and clearly. First, make sure you already have an animation set up on the layer you want to loop. This could be anything you've keyframed, such as a bouncing position, a rotating logo, or a fading in and out effect using opacity. The important thing is that you have at least 2 keyframes on the property you want to loop, and that the animation between them looks the way you want it to repeat. Now, select the property you want to loop. For example, if you animated where something moves on screen, you'd click on position. If you animated how it turns, you'd select rotation. And if you animated how visible it is, you'd choose opacity. You can reveal these properties by selecting the layer and pressing the shortcut keys, or by expanding the layer and its transform controls until you see the property you animated. Once you see your keyframes, click directly on the name of that property so it's highlighted. The next step is to add an expression to this property. To do that, you're going to Alt-click on Windows or Option-click on Mac on the little stopwatch icon next to the property name. This stopwatch is what controls keyframing. When you Alt or Option click it, instead of just turning keyframes on or off, it tells the program you want to use an expression to drive this animation. As soon as you Alt or Option click the stopwatch, you'll see a small text field appear beneath the property along with a line connecting to it. This is the expression editor. Your existing keyframes will still be there, and that's exactly what we want because the expression is going to use those keyframes as the base pattern for the loop. In that expression field, type the following exactly as you hear it: loop out, with a capital O, followed by open parenthesis, close parenthesis. It should look like this when you're done: loop out. There are no spaces inside the parentheses, and you don't need to add a semicolon at the end for this simple expression. After you type it, click anywhere else in the timeline or press enter on the numeric keypad to apply the expression. You'll see the text turn into the standard expression style, which means it's now active. If there's a warning icon, that usually means there's a typo, so just double check the spelling and capitalization. Now move your playhead past the last keyframe of that property and preview your animation. You'll see that instead of stopping after the final keyframe, it now continues playing the same motion over and over. The loop out expression tells the program to take whatever happens between your first and last keyframe on that property and repeat that segment indefinitely. This is especially useful for background loops, icons that spin continuously, repeating bounces, pulsing opacity, and any other motion you want to keep going without manually copying keyframes. If you ever want to adjust the loop, you simply move or edit the original keyframes and the loop will automatically update. If you decide you no longer want the animation to loop, you can remove the expression by Alt or Option clicking the stopwatch again, or by selecting the expression text and deleting it. The property will then go back to using just the keyframes as normal. That's all you need to create an endless loop using loop out. By selecting your animated property, Alt or Option clicking the stopwatch and typing loop out, you turn a simple keyframed motion into a clean, infinite animation with almost no extra work.